The iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max have faced reports of rapid battery drain, especially on 5G networks. This often stems from the power demands of 5G, the dynamic island, always on display, and background app activity. To mitigate this, first, update to the latest iOS 18.3 or later. Apple has released patches addressing excessive power consumption. Enable low power mode, particularly in areas with strong signal. Optimize your settings by disabling background app refresh for non-essential apps, limit location services, and reduce screen brightness. Be mindful of using power-intensive features like live photos. If using dual eSIMs, ensure they are correctly configured to avoid frequent updates that spike battery usage. Watch out for specific 5G bands that drain more power like mmWave. A buggy iOS can contribute to battery drain. Consider contacting Apple support or resetting your phone. Signal instability on iPhone 17 often stems from 5G mmWave signals being weak indoors or in rural areas and issues with eSIM configuration. Ensure your eSIM is properly activated to avoid connectivity problems. Reset network settings to clear potential software glitches affecting signal stability. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Manually check and verify APN settings with your carrier for correct configuration. Avoid dual eSIM conflicts by ensuring profiles don't overlap. Contact your carrier to confirm proper provisioning and compatible 5G bands. In areas with weak 5G, switch to LTE and cellular settings for better stability. Use Wi-Fi calling to improve call quality in areas with strong Wi-Fi but weak cellular signals. Keep your iPhone updated for future AI-driven optimizations that manage 5G power usage.